Okay, so John here, Autograph Freshman, and I'm actually going to be doing a taste test, but I'm going to be doing 3 different items during this video. All 3 is what most people would consider breakfast items. The last one I have had, it's something from our past, but I want to see if it tastes the same or better or worse. But first of all, Cheerios, showing you the French, Fruity Cheerios. What I'm expecting is it will taste like Fruit Loops, but who knows? So I'm going to pause it, go put it in a bowl, and put milk in it, because that's the way you eat it. Okay, so right off the bat, I did notice something while I was pouring it. You of course have your usual Cheerio shapes, but you also have heart shapes. So, that's what it looks like in a bowl. So my experience will be a little bit different than others, simply because I am actually using lactose-free milk. I'm not lactose intolerant, but everyone else in the family is, so there's no point in buying lactose milk and regular milk, especially with the price of lactose milk. So enough chatting, let's just try it. Oh yeah. Definitely 100% what I expected. Tastes just like Fruit Loops. Oh yeah. I love Fruit Loops. So, kind of wanted it to taste a little bit different than Fruit Loops, but you know what? Who cares in my mind? So, I'm going to give it a solid 20 out of 5 because I love my Fruit Loops and this tastes just like Fruit Loops. So I'm going to pause it and I'm going to stop it, do a couple things, and then go to the second item. Okay, so I'm guessing this one will probably be a little bit shorter, but a McDonald's bag. So, I wonder what I'm going to have. It's actually coming out of the box a little bit, so I'm going to fix it. Here. Little teensy box. McCafe. It is very small and not worth what it costs. But yeah. So what I'm actually going to do is going to take a little bite of it while it's not warm, because some people like it like that. I don't mind it that way. And after that, I'm going to stick it into the microwave and microwave it for a couple seconds to get warm, which I also like. So let's start off. Okay, so not bad. Now let's go microwave it, and when I'm done, I'll compare the two. Okay then, so I microwaved it for about 25 seconds, so it's warm, hopefully gooey, but not hot. So let's try it. The middle is a lot hotter than I thought it would be, but that's right. Yeah, so if you get these, definitely microwave them for 20 seconds. Um, definitely better. Um, Unfortunately, if you have a beard, you're going to get the beard messy, but yeah, definitely better microwave. So non-microwaved, I'll give it a 3 out of 5, and microwaved, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. The only problem is, for what you get, it's kind of expensive, so yeah, I wouldn't buy it again just because of the price and how small it was, but it was very, very, very good. So I'm going to finish this, stop it, and wait till I have a little bit of room in my stomach to do the last part of the taste test. Okay, so yeah, this is the last part of this breakfast taste test, and this is Captain Crunch berries. Um, I'm not 100% sure now that it's been a couple days of me doing the first part of it. I do remember these. I do remember liking them, but I'm starting to think it might be a different thing that I'm thinking of. So I don't remember. But either way, if these are the ones I was thinking of, I haven't eaten them in since grade 5 or grade 6, so that's a long time. Haven't seen them around. So yeah. So I've actually thought of a different way to show you what it looks like. It's noise. So let's get the angle right. There we go. That's good. You can see what it will look like. So, yeah. You got your normal Captain Crunch, which I absolutely love. Crack for kids. And then you have your berries, which looks like green, purple, blue, and red. So Canadian bag milk. And again, this is lactose-free milk. It's a little bit sweeter than normal milk. So let's get us back to this angle. Now, like I said, I'm not 100% sure if this is one I'm thinking of, but let's see. I'm expecting good things with this one. I'm kind of excited. Now, personally, I really love my sweet cereal. I don't really eat cereal as a breakfast. It's more of a snack to me. Now, this is my middle stepson's favorite cereal. It just, to me, it tastes just like regular Captain Crunch, which is amazing. But the fact that it has no berry taste, no fruit taste, or whatever, kind of disappointing. If it were being just normal Captain Crunch, it would have been a 5 out of 5. But because it's supposed to have a bit of a berry taste to it, I'm going to make it low. Would I eat it again? I don't see the point, honestly. I would just get normal Captain Crunch. So I'm going to obviously finish this bowl because I love Captain Crunch, but still disappointed. So I'm only going to give it a 2 out of 5, only due to complete disappointment. So if you see these and you think, hey, that looks good, and you see the normal ones for like a bigger box of the normal ones for less money or the same amount, go for the bigger box of the normal ones. So I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, keep on collecting. Bye.